Chalo everyone. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible, visible to everyone, and welcome. I welcome you all to Oliveboard. Just confirm this once whether I'm audible to everyone, visible to everyone. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. Everyone, you guys can see me, hear me clearly, absolutely clearly. Audio, video clear. Perfect. Thank you, Reena. Thank you so much. So again, first time we are bringing the CHSL solution to, because the calendars are here. So again, we need to put our foot to the accelerator. Chalo, CHSL mock of this weekend, live mock. Let us start, sir. Let us start. A piece of work is to be completed 24 days by 16 workers. After 12 days, 4 workers leave the job. 12 days after means 12 days work is already done. So remaining works are 12 days work for 16 workers. But it is being done by how many? 4 workers has left. So how many workers workers are now working? 12, 16 out of 16, 4 have gone. So how much time they will take? Acha, 1 second. 12 workers are gone. 12 workers are working. Now they are asking how many additional workers must be employed to make sure the work is finished on time. How many additional workers needs to be employed? Sir, please understand. Now, whatever is the work left, this 12 into 16 units of work is left. These needs to be completed. These needs to be completed by X number of men. In how many days? Total 24 days. It was to be completed in total 24 days. Yes, Sashi, we are going there. Total, it was to be completed in 24 days. Now, out of that 24 days, 12 days are gone. So definitely 12 more days work is remaining. 12 पे ये तो कुछ सेंस नहीं बना था, ये बिल्कुल सीधा क्वेश्चन है. This is very simple. So that means you divide this by 12. You divide this by 12. It's very simple. You divide this thing by 12, sir. Why? Because 12 days they need to complete this remaining work in 12 days. Right? So that means this gone. So 16 workers will be, and definitely 16 workers were working. So if 4 workers left, so 4 workers extra they will need. So it doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Does not, you see, this is not a, like again, we could have, no point actually. You see, total 24 workers, 60, like 24 days, 16 workers. If 4 workers have left, so then how, if, and the time is 24 days only. We just need to replace these 4 workers. Then only the time will, like the work will be finished in time. Doesn't make any sense, right? Chalo, theek hai. First question was very easy. हमें क्या easy question है तो, like, if the question is easy, like, celebrate that. Radius of a circle with center O is 16. If AB is the largest chord, longest chord or largest chord means its diameter. PQ is another chord such that both are parallel. Okay. So this is diameter, this is another chord that is parallel. This is PQ. This is AB. Achha, radius is 16 means this total is a 32 diameter, right? Now, PQ parallel, so both are parallel, sir. Okay. The distance between these two is 4 root 7. Achha, sir. If I do this distance, it is 4 root 7. And it is perpendicular. Distance means always perpendicular distance. Now they are asking what is this total length of PQ. Very simple, sir. Very simple actually. Why? So this is half. We all know if I drop a perpendicular on a chord from the center of a circle, it will always bisect. So whatever this length is, the chord length will be double of that. And also you see, if I draw this is radius. Radius is given as 16. So I know this, I know this. Can you figure this out? This will be say root over of 16 square minus 4 root 7 whole square. Calculate sir. 256 minus 16 and sir 7 now 112. 144. 12 sir. 12 is this much. So total will be sir 24. Option number D sir. Option number D is the answer sir. Right? Option number D is most definitely your correct answer. Next one. Cyclic quadrilateral. B is thrice of C. A is 7 times of C. Twice of A. Achha. B is thrice of C. So if C is X, B is 2X. Now, twice of A, 2A is equal to 7C, sir. 7 times of C. So that means A by C is what, sir? 7 by 2. Let's do one thing. Let us do one thing. Sir, you see, in any cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, in any cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, sir, always opposite angles are supplementary. Sum is 180. A and C are opposite angles. So that means this 7 plus 2, 9 parts. This 9 parts is equal to, sir, 180 degree. So every part is equal to 20. So C is, sir, 40 degree. A is, sir, 7 2s are 140 degree. First things first. So A is 140 degree. C is, sir, 40 degree. And once I know this is 40, this is 2 twice, that is 80 degrees. Done. They're asking value of D. Again, sir, B and D, they are supplementary. B 80 degrees. So D has to be, sir, 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. 100 degree. एक सेकेंड डी पूछा था एक सेकेंड अच्छा थ्राइस ऑफ सी अरे यार सॉरी 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 आप तो आई हैव टेकन ट्वाइस देखा चाहिए नहीं thrice. So this is 43 are sir 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. So D will be sir 60 degree because total has to be 180. Option A sir. Option A. Option A is most definitely the correct answer. Next one. So marks obtained by A and B in physics are in this ratio. A got 80 marks in chemistry. Okay. And 20 marks more than chemistry in physics. So A in chemistry got 80. Physics 20% more means 96. You see 8 2s are 16 more, 80, 16 more, 96. Now B's marks in chemistry and physics. Chem physics is 15 more than his marks in physics. Okay. Achha. So first things first. Now we can use this ratio. Ratio is of physics marks. A got 96. 4 parts is 96. 1 part is 24. 3 parts is 72. So B got 72 in physics from this ratio. And then how much B got in chemistry? 15 more than this. So 15 plus means 87 marks. Done. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. I made error in ratio. Sashi, नहीं इधर तो नहीं किया. Last question. Sashi, last question, brother. You are talking about last question? You are talking about last question? Chalo. This XYZ. Y is 90 degree. चलो ठीक है. Y is 90 degree. XYZ. YZ is 9. XZ is 21. YP is YP is perpendicular. P. Length of PZ. अच्छा sir. Sir, if you want PZ, there is a property that comes while if you try to prove Pythagoras theorem. That property is this thing square. It is equal to, sir, PZ into the whole thing, xz. Similarly, if you take xy square, it will be this thing into the whole thing. But again, why I'm taking yz? Because that value I know. That value I know. That is the reason, nothing else. Yz square is 981. Pz I don't know. Pz so I will find into sir. Xz is how much? Xz is given as 21. Sir, Pz will be sir 81 by 21. Sir, 3 sevens are this, 3 27s. 27 by 7. Sir, 4 से just छोटा. अरे, both can be na. अच्छा, let's see. 3 sevens are 21. 6 by 7. 6 by 7 means 1 4 come कर दो, 1 5 ही कम कर दो, 8 4 8 5 8 6. Yeah, option A is the answer. Because you see again how what I'm saying, 1 by 7 is 14.28%. So again this I can write na 0.1428. So these values are useful for calculation as well. These values are useful for calculation as well. XY is 21. No, brother. XZ is 21, brother. You see, this is given. Question me. Sashi, XZ is given as 21, brother. You see, it's written very clear. Right? Clear? Chal. Now, yeah. Like mistakes happens. Don't worry. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is this. Lateral surface area cuboid is a symmetric cross section area is same. That means perimeter of the base, that is 2 into length plus breadth is given 14 and 7. 14 and 7 means I'm directly writing 21 into height. Height is given. Achha, height only they are asking. Height we don't know. 504. Chalo, ye bahut simple is it. 2 25 to 21 12 are this. So H is 12, sir. H is set 12. Option number D. Option D is the answer. Reena need answers. Reena need answers. Everyone, others as well, need answers. Please practice, practice, practice. Need answers. जल्दी से answers चाहिए. Below pie chart shows percentage distribution. अच्छा, ratio पूछा. Ratio तो then I don't need anything. That means I don't need any value. Ratio of A and D. 14 and 15, 29. So I don't even need to check anything else because 29 is a prime number. It can, so anything, any ratio having the first unit as 29 will be the answer. Here the answer. Why? Because 29 is a prime number. The addition got 29. If it was not like 29, then we would have checked something else. Because 29 only has two factors. Answer will be in answer it will be either 29 or it will be something 1 ratio something. That means the second part is a multiple of 29. 29 got cancelled. That's the only possibility. Clear, sir? Chalo. Average monthly expenditure of Aman. This much first 3 months. This much first 4 months. Next 4 months. This much next 5 months. Total is this monthly income. Income means expenditure plus savings. Savings is given. Acha, average they are asking, na? Acha, let's take average. Let us take average, sir. So what will happen, sir? Total income is this into this into this, and this into 5 by 12. So meaning this into this by 12, this into this by 12, this into this by 12. So I'll do it together. So 3 by 12 you do first. That means I'll not do only 1235 by 4 plus this thing into 4. 1605 into 4 by 12 means by 3. 4 by 12 is by 3. And 2197. This thing I cannot do anything. This I have to do. This is the average plus this is the total savings. So it will be 1992 divided by 12, sir. This is the yearly savings. So monthly means the total by 12. So this is the answer. बाप रे, कैलकुलेशन तो करना है सर. Any clues? No clues, sir. चलो करना तो है. 1200 means 300 and 35 means 4 nines 8.75 plus 1500 means चलो 5s are 15, 10 3s are this, 5s are this, direct हो गया. चलो this is 13 का cube, sir. 13 cube. So ये तो like we won't get any calculation because prime number, this is not prime. We have to calculate. चलो anything नहीं सर. चलो 11,000 minus how much? 3 5s are 15. So 10,985. 10,985. Very, very calculative. 12 nines are 108. 18 ones are this 65 5 point something. 915 only I'm taking. ठीक है. 12 ones are 12 79. 12 6 are this 72. 6 are this. ये 0.75 छोड़ दो. 308 5 5 10 18 24 2 8 3 11 12 1 10 18 19 something. Sir, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. It was a calculative question. It was a calculative question, sir. वो देखो इन लोगों ने पूरा कैलकुलेट किया. बाप रे. Okay, but again, not a difficult question, but again a little bit calculative, definitely. Definitely a little calculative. Okay, chalo. We had to do some calculations. The total quantity of chemical X and Y in which two mixtures are same? Total quantity of chemical X and Y. Acha, total is same. Acha. So this is 50. This is 40. This is 50, sir. So this A and E is the same, sir. A and E is the same. Option I have to check. Option I don't know. A, E, option D, sir. You see, total A plus like both the things. Total is same where. That is something we needed to find. That is something we needed to find. That is what we have found as well. 7 people have different number of chocolates. Find the number of people. Find the number of people having more chocolates than the average. Achha, so first we need average. So in these situations, it is always based to figure out the average using the deviation, the assumed mean method, because there are so many values. So I'm taking this looks like the good average, the 60 line. So 60 is my average, assumed average. This is my A. Assumed average. So 55 is deviations minus 5. 65 is plus 5. This is sir plus 15. This is sir plus 25. This is sir minus 10, minus 15, plus 10 deviation. Sir plus 15, this. My answer will be sir 60. Deviation is plus 25. Plus 25 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 7, sir. So 60, this is how much? 3, like 3 sevens are 21, 4 by 7. 0.56 point something. 63.56 almost. Right? I don't need it. I don't exactly need it. So how many people have more than these many chocolates? This is the average. Sir, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. The answer is 4. The answer is, sir, 4. वो देखो option 1. Answer is 4, option 1. Now again, if you figure out the normal average, it will take you more time. So deviation I've shown you in my classes. I've shown you चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैंने deviation पूरा दिन. I've taken at least 5 classes on deviation on like because of this reason. Deviation can be used everywhere. In an election, Nisha got 92% of the total valid votes, 15% are invalid out of this. Sir, 15% calculation is very easy. 10% is 3,200. 5% is half of this, meaning 1,600. 15% 4,800. So total valid votes 32 minus 48. 32,000 minus 5,000 you do 27,000 plus 2,000, 27,200. Sir, Nisha got 92% of this. So total votes polled against Nisha will be, sir, 8%. So 8% of this. Now let me say this. You don't need to, do not calculate like this. Do not calculate like this. Sir, 8% I need 8%. Sir, 1% is this. So 8% will be 272 into 8. Right? Achha, I cannot use unit digit because there are 2 unit digit 6. So calculate kar lo, sir. 8 2s are 1,600. 17 to 8 sir 560, 8 2s are 16 sir. Last में 76 आने वाला है. Let's say 76 is option A. Done. Don't do calculations total. Done. Next one, next one, next one. Dishonest dealing. Dishonest dealing, sir. CPSP. Dishonest dealing, whenever you see CPSP. CP 840, SP 900. Sir, 1 kg means SP 1000, CP 750. Take the compound ratio, that is the net. Sir, calculate 253s are this, 254s are this, 0, 0 gone, 330s are this, 4, 4, 4, 21s are this. Done. Anything else? 7. This is 10, sir. 7 rupees, 7 ratio 10. That means profit of 3 rupees out of 7 rupees. 3 by 7, 42 point some percentage. For option A, sir. Option A, sir. Done. Done, sir. Everyone, be vigilant, be vigilant. Jaldi, jaldi karna hoga. Right? Very, very quickly. Very, very, very quickly, sir. Roots ka question, sir. Roots ka question. Alpha, beta are the roots of this. That means alpha plus beta is 8. Alpha into beta is C, sir. This is given. This is what, sir? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That is given as 40. From there, you will get the value of C. This is 64 minus 2. Alpha beta is C, sir. So the value of C is 12, na? Option B is the answer. Option B is most definitely the correct answer, sir. Moving on. Very simple. Manoj and Azhar invested this 3 years, same rate. Azhar's investment compounded annually. Acha, one CI minus SI for 3 years. You can use the formula, use normal like this because 10%. Excuse me. You can use the normal AB theorem as well because why? 10% we all know the values. We don't need to calculate, right? So the formula, if you want to go by, that is PR squared by 10,000 into R plus 300 by 100. This is the formula. Okay. This is what you need to figure out. P is this, R is this. So you can put the value and figure out. Another way to figure out, sir, 10%, simple interest 3 years will be 30%. And sir, compound interest will be 33.1%. So difference will be, sir, 3.1%. 3.1% of what? Of 20,000. So 20,000 ka 3.1%. So 20,000 by 100, sir, for percentage. So just 3.1 by 10. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. 31 twos are 62, 620 rupees will be the answer. 620 rupees, option D is the answer. 620 rupees, option D is the answer. Yes, you guys are again correct. Sashi, Reena, again, you guys are correct. Very, very, very good. Very, very good. two items, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Offered this discount, this discount. So 1,000 rupees, 10% discount, 100 rupees discount. 2,000, 400 rupees discount, 20%. Right? Overall discount. Overall set 3,000 rupees. Total discount is 500 rupees. 500 discount on 3,000. 16.66%. Option C, sir. Option C, sir. Done? Done, sir, everyone? Everyone clear, sir? Everybody clear? It should be clear. Anything, anywhere you get stuck, please ask. Please ask if you get stuck. And if you're liking the session, please do hit the like. Again, I'm doing, you see, last couple of weeks, I have increased the speed a little bit. Why? Because the exams are near. If you're following us on a regular basis, you'll see we have increased the speed a little bit in the last couple of weeks. Chalo, sir. Next one. 625 into this. This is how much, sir? 3125 minus. Sir, this is root 27. Acha. Acha, this is 20, so this is 1000. Cube root of 1000 means 10 plus 20 minus the root 400 means 20 minus this is, sir, 5. Meaning, sir, the answer is 3120. B. B, sir. B. Chalo, sir. Next one. Radius of a cylinder is doubled and the height is halved. Sir, radius comes in the formula, cylinder ya cone. Radius is r square, height is only h. So if it is doubled, it will become 4 times 2 into 2. It halved means it will come only 1 by 2. So that means volume will become what, sir? Volume will become, sir, 2 times. 4 into half is 2, sir. So find the ratio of new volume will be 2:1, sir. You don't need to do anything. You do not need to do anything, sir. You do not need to do anything. Think, I've given you this ratio approach. Ki, sir, r square h, the formula. R square means r. So if it is double, double into double. R square means r into r. And h is 1 time, right? A thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of this. Thief starts running, policeman starts chasing. The thief and the policeman. Acha, sir. Sir, definitely no thief runs towards policeman. No thief in this world runs towards policeman. At least I don't know anyone. Okay? So that means the thief will run away, by meaning both will run in the same direction. So their relative speeds will be, sir, what? 20 minus 19. That is 1 kilometer per hour, sir. That means now meter mein hai na, sir, so let's, and minutes. Acha, so in that case, let's do one thing, sir. This is 1 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meters per second. Now, what is the distance after 2 minutes? So this is how they are, like, this is the relative speed. How much distance they will cover? Sir, speed into time. But again, I must take it in seconds. 2 minutes means 120 seconds. Sir, 18, I guess, how much? 6 threes are this, 6 20s are this, right? 6 threes are this, 6 20s. Instead of 100 by 3. So they will cover 100 by 3 meters. They will cover. So initial distance was 250 by 3. They have covered this. So what is the distance remaining? It will be this minus this. 250 minus 100 by 3. That is 50 meters, sir. So option B, 50 is the correct answer. Option B, 50 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Next one. AB invests this and this. Sir, there are 3 zeros I can get rid of. Acha, not 3, 4, sir. 4 zeros, let's get rid of. Anything, sir? 2, 3, 6. So A and B started with 2 rupees, 3 rupees. C joins with 6 rupees. Do it like this. A, B, C. Now, annual profit means the total business is of 12 months. A and B started from the beginning. So A's money 2 rupees was there for 12 months. B's money 3 rupees was there for 12 months. C's money 6 rupees was not there for 12 months because he joined after 4 months. So his money was there for only 8 months. Calculate sir. 4 2 4 3 4 3. 3 से फिर से जाएगा 3 3 3. That means 2:3:4 sir. So total profit is given. How much C gets? So 4 plus 3 plus 2, so 9. 9 parts is equal to 54,000. 9 parts is equal to rupees 54,000. So one part is 6,000 rupees. C gets 4 into like 6,000. That is 24,000 rupees. That's the answer. Option C, sir. Option C, sir. Yes, Reena, you are correct. Option C is the correct answer. Very, very good. Yes, Sashi, you are also correct. You are also correct, brother. Very, very, very good. Very, very good. Next one. Sir, monthly usage of rice, wheat, pulses. Total use of wheat by family P wheat 35 is what part of the total of rice, wheat and pulse together by R? R means this. 50 to 70, sir. 35 is what part of 70, sir? 1 by 2 parts. Option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely the answer, sir. Option A is most definitely the answer. Pipe A 4, B 12, C 6. Right, sir? So their efficiency ratio 1 by 4, 1 by 12, 1 by 6. A, B, C. So this is outlet. Remember, it is emptying. It is emptying. So you can take a negative as well. So that means multiply this by 12. Multiply this because 12 is the LCM. So this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. And this is your, this LCM becomes total volume, sir. Now they are asking in how many hours from the start will the tank be half full? Sir, total volume is 12. Half full means I need to fill 6 liters. Now, if all three are open together, they are filling how much, sir? 3 plus 1, 4 liters is getting filled, 2 liters is getting out. So, total every hour they are filling 2 liters. So, 6 liters means how many hours? 3 hours they will take. So, 3 hours, option B is the correct answer. Option B, 3 hours is the correct answer. Again, Sashi, Reena, both of you guys are correct. Again, you are correct, everyone. Chalo, chalo, chalo. A bus travels 31 at 8 kmph, another 31, another this, another correct average. Acha, sir. Again, those who know average speed, you will say, sir, average speed does not depend on distance. Ye 31 kilometer we don't need. Hatao. We do not need 31. I'll take my like distance of my choice. Sir, like LCM 8, 10, 12. 8 12 कितना ले सकते हैं सर 12 4 है सर 12 24 24 दिस इज सर 120 ले लेते सर सर 120 kilometers. Let's take the distance to be 120 kilometers. Why? My calculations will be very simple. Sir, that means average speed is what, sir? Total distance by total time. Total distance 120, 120, 120, 360 by time. Sir, 120 by distance by speed. 120 by 8 means, sir, 15. Plus 120 by 10 means, sir, 12. 120 by 12 means, sir, 10. 360 by 15 and 12, sir, how much? 15 and 12, sir, 27, 37. 360 by 37 means just less than 10. Just less than 10. 10 से just छोटा सा 9.73. 9.73 is the answer. 9.73 is most definitely your correct answer. Very simple. A, B, 3, 5. Array, sir. Very simple, very simple, very simple. You see, A is 3 here, A is 3 here. If both are matching, then nothing can be easier. Why, sir? That means the values I can, sir, B plus C is 7, B is 5. So B is 5, C has to be 2, sir, because total is 7. And A we all know 3. So answer will be 352. 352 option A. Thus the seconds ka question, sir. 10 seconds. The questions are of 10 seconds each. Sir, sine is given to you. Cosec and cot they are asking. Sine is given. Theta is this. Sine means this is 3, this is 5, this must be 4. Cosec will be, sir, 5 by 3, opposite of sine. Cot is, sir, 4 by 3, sir. So this is 3 is the answer, sir. Option B is the correct answer. Sashi, you see, Sashi, average speed mein, in average speed, why will I use? You see, you tell me, if I use 3-speed formula here, na, the calculations will be like more difficult. The calculations, let me say, you try, you go ahead and try, it will be difficult, more difficult. You see, because understand the underlying concept. The best concept here is what? We know average speed does not depend on the distance. So if I have the biggest freedom out there, yeah, I can choose any distance of my choice. Why will I go outward? Why will I go for anything else? That I will always take that. Right? ठीक है? चल. So this is the area of a square is this. So this is 32 square. So this length is A, the side is 32, sir. Perimeter of the rectangle whose length is twice the side of the square. Length is 64 and breadth is half. Breadth is L is this. Breadth is how much, sir? 16. Half. So perimeter they are asking. So it will be, sir, 2 into 64 plus 16 is 80, sir. 160 is the answer. 160 is the answer. Okay? Perfect. Acha, this was the last question. Yeah, so like if I like try for 100 days, I will, if I even if I try for 100 days, I'll never be able to do this. Now again, this was our CHSL mock number 1 for because definitely we wanted the notification, the calendar is out, notification will be out in less than a month. So again, it's high time you start practicing, you start solving the mocks live. It's very, very, very important. Okay. So again, just a quick bit of information for everyone. So this is our offering for you guys. This is our offering for you guys. So if you go into this na SSC Super Elite, you will see if you want to purchase the courses. So here we are giving you, if you're planning to make a purchase, if you are planning to make a one-stop solution for your preparation, we have this Super Elite package for you guys, where you can, I'll strongly suggest, do not believe me, download the schedule PDF. So here you will have all the details. So Super Elite is a one-stop solution where you will get all the mock tests, all the live courses, including all the practice courses. That's very important because many of you guys are here who have already has the basic preparations. So for the crash course, we are launching in a couple of days. The practice courses that will be launched afterwards. And also if you have, say for example, if you are prepared, but there are few topics where you have some weaknesses. So for that, you will, in this Super Elite package, you will have access to all the foundation courses as well. Not only the foundation courses which have already been run, you will have access to all the foundation courses which are now running, which have already been ran, and which are upcoming. Okay, so any courses related to SSC in the platform of Oliveboard, this part once the subscription gives you access to all of those. So again, similar thing you will find for NTPC candidates as 20, like in 20 days time we have NTPC exam. You have that NTPC, like the feature for NTPC Railway Super Elite. So again, if you want to check that out, please, there also you will find the course schedule where you can download and you can check out all the details that are there. Okay, so I will highly encourage, please see and understand. So again, the subscription price, why I'm saying subscription, because the subscription price is less than the price if you combine the price of two courses. So let's say you go for a one foundation or one booster course along with a practice course. Whatever you are paying here, you will pay less than that for all the courses along with all the mocks for one complete year. Okay, so that is the benefit. I'll like highly suggest, before you make any purchase, please go through this PDF. So again, thank you so much. I will see you guys again then at tomorrow at the same time with the geometry basic classes. Till then, please take care. And if you have any queries, any feedback, please feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll be like personally, I'll like reaching out, like I'll be replying to you. So again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good night.